गिबियावनो रिलाइव न्यूज 24 नि नायगिरि नोंथांमोनखौ बरायग्रोनानै लाग्रोनाय जाबाय। बलिउडनि मुंदांखा फावखुंग्रि श्रुति हासाना गावनि मोजां मोननाय सेंग्रा आसामनि शान्तनु हाजरिकाजों आसामाव गिबि खेब फैदों। खुलुमबाय, स्टुडिय'आव आं आमिना सर्गियारि। शान्तनु हाजरिका आरो श्रुति हासान सानैबो इन्स्टाग्रामनि गेजेरजों लोगो मोनलायदों होनना फोरमायदों। शान्तनु हाजरिकाया गावनि जिउनि लोगो खालामनो नागिरनाय श्रुति हासाननो आसामनि सोमोन्दै फोरमायना होदों। आसामा मोनसे जथाय रायजो। बर', मिसिं, राभा बयबो खौसेयै थायो आरो असमियाफोरनि बिहु रंजानाय, आसामनि समायना मिथिंगा नुथाय बायदिफोरा श्रुति हासाननि गोसोखौ बोनो हादों। जेराव बिथाङा आसामाव फैनानै गुवाहाटीआव जानाय रङालि बिहु फोरबोआव फैनानै बिहु मोसानाय नुथायखौ नुनो मोनदों आरो आसामाव फैनानै जोबोद मोजां मोनदों होनना बुंदों।
I'm so very honored to be here today. I would like to extend my sincerest thanks to Shankanu sir for bringing me here today and making me a part of this beautiful cultural celebration. I've gotten to know a lot more about Assam thanks to Shantanu, and I've learned about the history. I've learned about the various tribes, the cultural strife, and how beautifully united and wonderful it is to see today, and the rich cultural heritage. When Shantanu, I met him as an artist first, to see the stories and his inspirations, which are all from Assam, from his grandmother's stories. It is so beautiful for me to be here today for Rongali, celebrating the cultural heritage. And as Sir said, the women entrepreneurship, I think that is the future in all parts of the country. So to see that being celebrated today, and for me to be able to see it today in person, is truly an honor. I'm so very blessed to be here. Thank you for that. Actually, इनकी मम्मी ने गिफ्ट किया था मुझे last birthday के लिए, and I'm really happy to wear this. And मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि उन्होंने black साड़ी भेजी, because मैं हमेशा black पहनती हूँ. So I'm really honored to wear a traditional outfit.
But it's so we are so pleased that you already know so much about Assam, and like you are so you're so cultural. Like do you have any plans of making films here in Assam?
So I mean, I would love to work across the country. I think if we look at the whole country, हमारी एक बड़ी गलती हो जाती है कि हम सेक्शन कर देते हैं. South is section, North is the middle. और as a South Indian actress, originally I'm South Indian, even though my mother is from Bombay. मैं पली बड़ी सब चेन्नई में, तमिलनाडु में. तो हमें भी वो क्वेश्चंस आते जैसे कि हम एक अलग ही देश है, बट एक्चुअली वी आर वन ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री. और हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि हम एक दूसरे के बारे में सीखें, इंटरेस्टेड रहें, और दैट इज अ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द डाइवर्सिटी एंड ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर कल्चर. सो इट कम्स नेचुरली टू मी. Speaking of films, I'm slowly starting to watch films because of him. And I saw a film which I really loved called Amis, which I really loved. That's one of the first films I saw. And music मैंने बहुत सुना है. And I'm really looking forward to maybe collaborating with musicians from Assam as well, because I think there's just so much talent here. This is something that I saw. It's very humble. बहुत humble हैं लोग, लेकिन इतने talented हैं, तो it's really amazing.
नोंथांमोना सानफ्रोमबोनि खौरांखौ मोननो थाखाय रिलाइव न्यूज 24 बड' इउटुब चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामनायजों लोगोसे फेसबुक पेजखौ फल' खालामनानै लाइक शेयार खालामनो दाबाव। गोजोन्थों।